See, my trouble is Christmas. I just don't understand it.
Study time. Hello, teacher.
Me every year.
Paper number 26 of the semester. You guys, it's snowing! I have a biology final today, and I feel like this is a good luck charm. I'm gonna knock on some wood after saying this. I don't know if you can see it. It's icy! But it's definitely icing. And you can see some of the bigger snowflakes like in the sky. You can see them. It's so cute. I'm dying. So everyone was like, yeah, it's snowing inside. I'm like, all right, let me be excited. I'd stand out here all day, but I'm cold and I still have to study some more. It's cutie.
What is it you want?
You guys, it's snowing so much. I brought out the big camera so you can see good, but we went to a coffee shop to study and I showed you guys. But you can see the snow so good. And look how cute that little church is. But it's snowing. Grace doesn't share my enthusiasm for the snow.
Wow, I love this snow so much.
But it's, look at it. It's basically a blizzard, so y'all watch out for the roads. Watch out for me on the roads. Grace made me leave before it got too dark. She said, I don't know if you can drive there. I said,
Maybe get home safe.
check in later. Hello, you guys. It is 7:52. I don't know if you can hear me because the air is really on high because it's 38 degrees and I'm cold. Anyways, excuse me I look this way because I've been at the house all day. I slept in. I've been studying in my bed because it's cold outside. It's comfy there. But consequently, it's time to get serious and really grind because I have one in the morning at 8. Then I have the rest of the day to study at night for my 2 Friday. And then I'm done. Still someone in the back. I don't know them. I'm with Elena. We're going to get Oxford SIP because they have evening hours. And serious exam fuel is what I need, and that is what they're gonna give me. We'll check in later. Bye. Everybody, it's us. It's our last night of finals week, and we both have an 8 a.m. one in the morning.
Rip.
It has been the longest week. You have not seen much of either of us, really.
My vlog consists of like looking at the screen of me studying in multiple places with different caffeinated beverages. That is all that is on.
So we're headed to get dinner because I haven't had like a real meal in a few days, so we're going to do that. But I look rough, but thankfully, you know, we got a new bun in today. Hair is clean, so makes for a good day. But one more night, we can do this, and then we're off to a surprise road trip. Woo! We can't wait for y'all to see where we're going.
I'm so excited. Question to the viewers. I have a Red Bull, and I don't know if y'all know about loaded teas, but you definitely know if you subscribe. Do we think the Red Bull would taste good in a loaded tea? Let me know down below. Finals hack, I might try it
Crackhead energy vibes. Anything to get us through this night we're about to pull. It's about to be Brit Lit Part 2.
Oh my gosh, the PTSD from that one.
But wish us luck on our last finals, and we will see y'all soon. Bye. Hello vlog, I'm back. I had my Red Bull and finished my flashcards and talked to a few people that have the same exams I do. And then me and Elena just went and I just got an Oxford SIP. I went with Gummy Bear, which was a flavor I used to get a lot. And I like 38 better because it's sourer. But this is not bad. I'm thinking now I don't have to pull an all-nighter, which is a blessed miracle from the Lord, because my brain is so tired. It doesn't get any sleep and it only gets caffeine, and I never feed it any water. And I've really tried to eat, like, I think I had 2 salads this week. I think I had 2 salads. I tried to give it some vegetables. It just didn't really happen. And so now I'm just studying. We've been at Madison's house and Elena's house. Madison's been studying with me. But yeah. So I'm gonna go finish this. And I'll see y'all when I leave here. Okay, you guys, so I got these in the mail. I ordered them for my trip, and I thought I'd show you them because I've had them on this entire study time because they're really comfy. And so you notice this beautiful deer detail right here. It's Rudolph. And I'd wear a turtleneck with it underneath this, so ignore this bulky t-shirt. But they're like, they're overalls and they're sweater. And I'm gonna show you guys the bottom. I'm gonna go borrow Elena's mirror though. She's probably on her computer. So they're really fun. Yeah, they're from Target and they're on sale right now. And I love them. Some of the reviews said people looked pregnant, but I think I look okay. Definitely not like 9 months pregnant, maybe like 1. Surprise! Hey you guys, excuse the exam chic look we have rocking here because it's finals and it's misting, so my hair has kind of like grown all day. I'm going to take my last final of the week, and then final vlog is over and I'm starting the weekend vlog because me and Cassie are going to take some cute pictures on the square, go do a little shopping, and then just have a fun night because finals are over and I need a break. And then tomorrow we're headed to Jackson to go to a camp thing with Madison. And then we have a surprise trip that I can't wait for you guys to see. So I am headed to this, and after I get out, I'm ending the vlog. I'm gonna wait till I get out so it'll be technically done. Because finals week has put me through the ringer. Sorry I'm at a red light, and I don't want anyone to honk at me because I'm also trying to get where I need to go before 2 o'clock. And I left with like 20 minutes on a 5-minute drive. So let's hope that was enough time. Bye. Finals are done, I finished, and I just changed. So I'm finished, I'm ending this vlog. It's been a wild ride, long Vlogmas finals video. And now it's the weekend, so on to more fun things. Bye.